Hello learner, this is Master Satya here. Friends, as you know, we have a separate day every week to demonstrate the different lessons from SST. And today our children have come up with some project from the lesson geography from the topic what? Maths. So in this demonstration class, we are going to learn about maps and what are the different types of maps. Yes, please introduce yourself one by one.
My name is Shreyas Patnaik.
Shreyas Patnaik, what is your project?
Sir, I have a political map.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Kumar. I have the physical map.
Physical map. Right.
Sir, my name is Ankit Kumar Pradhan and I help to move it and I have a physical.
Very good, very good. Ankit will assist.
My name is Chandrasekhar Pradhan. I have a
You will assist to whom?
Shreyas.
Shreyas, okay. So this is our system. So before going into the demonstration, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
yes, you will help now. So Shreyas,
Yes, sir.
we have map right now. So what is a map? I want this answer from the. Yes.
Sir, map is to locate the place. Small place.
Yes, yes.
We cannot know more about countries or states in the book, but in the map we can learn everything that districts, states of countries.
Yes. So beta, actually basically map is the representation of earth surface. Representation of earth surface in a flat paper, on a flat surface. Okay? Because you know our globe is spherical in shape. Right? But what is the problem of globe?
Sir,
Why do we
that we
need?
cannot know about the continents or countries.
Because we cannot clearly know about
That
different parts of the world clearly on the
Sir.
globe. To study about a particular place or a country or any town, we need to have a map for the better understanding. Globe has some other essentialities, some other benefits, whereas maps have some other benefits. In globe, you can know about latitude, longitudes, the movements of the earth, है this thing you will know. But whenever we are studying about a place, we need a map. We need a map. So that we can have a better understanding. Okay? This is what we are talking about. Now, what are the types of map? Children will say, what are the types of? There is no current today. No current, huh? Tell me.
thematic map, political map, and physical map.
Thematic map, political map, and
Physical map.
now Shreyas,
Yes, sir.
tell me about your project. What is it? Come please.
Sir,
Give a closer view.
Sir, it is a political map.
Yes.
Sir, we can know. Sir, if we put a pen on this and we can know, we cannot know its
So
capital. When we check all this, if the capital of the state is come, then the light will on and buzzer is sound.
Okay. Very nice. So this is basically the political map of our country.
Yes.
Okay, Srujal, the camera boy, please show it. Political map of India. Okay, and in this map, what have been here? The line. What are these lines have been demarcated? This is the boundary of the different states. So, what is a political map?
Sir, the boundary of village, country, state or continent, that map is called political map.
Yes, the map which contains towns, cities, right, villages, and country and continent
Boundary.
are shown with their proper boundary. These are called the political maps. Okay? And in this political map, you have tried to show the different states here, right? Different states with their capital. You don't do it, try to be minimize your cost. It is so amazing. I am very much happy with it. Right? Okay. So see the system, how beautifully he had designed this project.
Sir, this is Odisha.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, it is its capital.
Okay, very nice. Only the proper maize will respond, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if we put sir Odisha and sir Kolkata, sir, then it not receive.
It will not receive. It will not respond properly. And if the proper maize is sown, then it will be responding, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose take the example. It is Telangana. What capital you have set for this?
Sir, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad only, na? You have not Amarabad, Hyderabad, right? For Telangana it is Hyderabad, and for Andhra Pradesh it is Amaravati. Okay. So for Andhra Pradesh, if Hyderabad is tossed, it will not respond. How innovative! Very nice, beta. Very nice. Thank you. So this was about the political map.
Sir, it is cannot respond because sir, its wires are connect with the state and its capital.
Very nice.
Sir, if the wire connects the Andhra Pradesh with Hyderabad, then it can be sir sound.
Okay. Thank you. Very nice, beta. Your project is very amazing. But one thing I must suggest, it may be costly a little bit.
No, sir.
No problem. Okay, you have an affordable plan. It's no problem in it, but it's okay, beta. Thank you very much on this. I'm very much happy on this. Okay, so next project is about what?
The physical
It's
map
about
of India.
physical map of India. Yes. What is the physical map?
Sir,
Mohit, yes.
map show natural features of the earth like mountains, rivers, plateaus, plains. Is called physical map.
Physical map. Sujal, come closer. Come closer. You can put it here also. So you have, what are all these?
Sir, the names of the map. So it is the Western Ghat. It is the.
So this is India map, right? This
Yes,
is the
yes.
physical map of India, right?
Yes, sir.
And it is depicting the different physical
Features. of
portion or physical features of our country, right? So we have many major physical division. What is this?
Sir, Himalayas.
This is the Himalayan mountain range.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
It is located in the
Northern part of the.
it covers of the northern part of the country. It ranges from west to east
East.
in the northern boundary of our country. And after that, which physical division comes up?
Sir, after that, the desert. Sir,
Which desert?
Sir, third desert.
This is the third desert.
Sir, it divides Pakistan and the India at this part.
Okay. It located in between India and Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The third desert used to be part of India only, on divided India. Okay, very good, beta. It is located in the
Western part of the
very
India.
good in the northwestern part of the
India.
Western part also, right? Correct. And beside, what other mountain ranges are there in our country?
Sir, Aravalli range
Aravalli
and the
range and
Vindhya range.
Vindhya range. Very good. And what are these two mountain ranges?
Sir, the Ghats of the India. Sir, Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats.
Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats.
The
Okay.
Eastern Ghats are the far from the coastal area.
Yeah.
And the Western Ghats are very closely.
Yeah. It is very close to the coast or very
Yes,
close
sir.
to the sea, right? Beta, one thing, but these are, why you have made this very regular? The Western Ghat is very regular occurring. Hey, wait, come closer only.
So, but your face not is come.
No problem in it. Western side of the country, and it is very regular. It is continuously occurring. but in the eastern side of India, we have irregular occurring, discontinued because of different several what they have caught the mountain. What are the different things?
Sir,
What are the lines you have marked with blue color? What are the lines?
sir, river.
Yeah, very good. So another physical features is called the river system of our country.
Sir, river.
What are the different rivers you have?
Sir, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, Jhelum.
Okay, very good. So besides mountain, we have desert, again rivers, and what other remaining physical features here?
Gangetic plains.
Hey,
Sir, Gangetic plains and plateaus. So there is northern plateau and the
Deccan
Deccan
plateau,
plateau.
very good. The plateaus of our country have been divided into two parts. One is the central plateau, another being Deccan plateau. Right, very good, beta. Plateau comes up the flat shaped plain. The flat shaped plain. Okay.
Sir, and the
And in
Gangetic plains.
Another one is in between the mountain ranges and the plateau. We have the vast stretches of
Gangetic
plains. That is called Gangetic
plains.
plains. Very good. No need to. Okay. Again, you will see the video after I upload on the channel. You can see it again. This is a very nice demonstration. I am very much happy. Mohit beta. Yes. Again we have. Achha, you forgot something. We have another features also in our country. What features we have? In the
It's a forest.
on the two
It's a
seas-
forest.
on the two seas of our
Sir, Arabian Sea and
on Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, we have a physical feature. We have a kind of land. What do we call? Very good. The island groups of Lakshadweep. And on the Bay of Bengal. It's a Bay of Bengal. Okay. So this is what about all is physical map. We can find only the physical features of the earth. Right? So this is how these things are being depicted. And you have we can have also world map, world physical map. We can also have the world political map. So this is the advantages of having map. We are able to understand the different places in a very clear way. This is not possible in the globe. Very good. And what is the third kind of map? What is the third kind of maps?
Thematic map.
What is the thematic maps? What does it contain? I will assign this work to some children. Forest हो सकता है. Have some distance in the class. No mass inside. Some other day we will show that one. Okay. So with this we complete the video. Thank you, beta. Thank you. So children, with this we completed the video, and I again tell to everyone, please bring such kind of project and do demonstrate like this what Shreyas and Mohit did. Okay, everyone please come up with such project and demonstrate here. This is a very nice thing. Okay, we can learn by doing. This is called learning by doing. हम काम करते हुए सीखेंगे चीज़ें, ठीक है? And every week as per the schedule, we do not have any fixed schedule, but every week we will try to make some video like this. Understanding? And whichever video shall be uploaded on my channel, you will look at it. Watch it carefully. Okay? And mark your present also with your name and roll number, so that it will be seen in a arranged way. Okay? things can also be uploaded. It can be also sent to the regional offices if required, that we are doing so and so kind of things. Am I understood? Okay, thank you. So now I must everyone. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.